This is Dr. Brent Wright discussing with you how to help pregnant women quit smoking. Congratulations for getting to this point because it's a very important time to have women quit smoking. First of all, they're usually more motivated, so it makes it a little easier to make that transition. Although smoking is addictive, both the habit and the nicotine. So it's important to keep that in mind as you kind of work with that woman, or if you're the pregnant woman who wants to quit smoking, that motivation to do the right thing for your baby is very important modifier. First of all, you got to pick a date and commit to that date. And if you're already pregnant, make it as soon as possible to stop that smoking. And then what you do is that you pick the date and you get support. If you hang around a bunch of smokers, you maybe need to change that for a while till you don't get around smokers all the time, because that's going to make you want to smoke more. Well, you need to first of all, with the nicotine addiction, if you're addicted to nicotine a lot, you may want to consider some nicotine patches and help transition so that you break the habit of smoking as well as the drug addiction. And you can work on the drug addiction later and just stop the habit first. But if you used to, whatever you use to associate the smoking with, say after you eat a meal, you always smoke a cigarette. What you need to do is brush your teeth after a meal rather than smoking a cigarette. So try to replace a bad habit with a good habit. That helps with the habit part. And as far as the nicotine addiction, and then step yourself down a little bit. If you have so many cigarettes, like say you're a 2 or 3 pack a day smoker, you may have that nicotine addiction and you may need to taper that off over a period of time, as that may affect you. So these are all things, and there's a lot of support groups out there for smoking cessation. So your doctor can help you. There are support groups that can help you. There's phone support, and you can call people and get this advice. But these are the things that you can do to help pregnant women stop smoking. This is Dr. Brent Wright discussing how to help a pregnant woman quit smoking.